finally put up their stuff. Oh yeah. Love it, love it. Where are you? Okay, here's the button.
Here be another scallywag to
Oh, I like
join
the eye.
the crew. Step in line and hop to, or I'll cut ye down and swab the deck with
That
your
lights up. That's
entrails.
cool. Oh, and so does the sword. That's nice. Alright, I like it. Got a lot of good stuff. A lot of light up pumpkins. Ooh. Can't really see that one. Tree fiercely is.
Do you want to cuddle with me?
No. Yas. Oh, I don't know where your thing is. There we go. Oh.
My head is killing me.
Got those mini ones they've had before. I like that. Okay. Nice, nice. All the supplies you need. Fogs and such. Oh, okay. You can light up your thing. In addition to the regular skeletons, they also have vampire skeletons and ghoul skeletons. Those have red eyes. These have, well, this one has one yellow eye. I don't know if the others are supposed to have more. Oh, yes. Don't buy ones that don't have two eyes lighted up. Hey, you gotta watch your hand walking through here. Your poor thumb's already broken. Aw. Okay. I don't know this one. Yeah, she a creepy eye over her head.
I gain more power all the time.
The witching eye. There's nothing to be afraid of.
Nice. Oh my god, there's a monster here. A whole bunch of them. I know. Terrible, terrible joke. Jack of Spades.
Hey, guys and dolls, take a seat, pour yourself a drink, and let's see if you got the skills to match your courage. If you can beat me, you'll earn my respect. So, you're wondering what I'm doing out here in the dead of night, eh? Well, what does it look like? I'm robbing some graves, obviously. Just ask the other boys. So help me none. Just...
Well, that's why it's so far away from the others.
I have a bone to pick with
You're
you.
gonna poke somebody. You, a Victorian vampire? Oh my god. Oh no. How about you? Very nice, very nice. All these are very nice. I was hoping the tree would do something, but I guess it just lights up. It's still awesome. I'm gonna bite you.
This is your instant warning.
Very nice. Very nice. I like that skeleton archway up there. It's pretty cool. About time they put all their stuff out. Sup, Chuck?